Alright, we're back at the Spook House for Spook House Tour Part 4. And this is the newly poured concrete. As you can see, they have a driveway now. And all the garage doors have been opened. No spooky houses in there. But now we're going to get a rare look inside. This is a bathroom with a tile floor. And now on the back porch we can see what it looks like in the living room. There's the window. And then this is the kitchen. And this is a closer look at the slow cooker with their slow cooking, for all their slow cooking needs. And then this is what the side looks like. And here is the other bathroom and the bedroom. So next time you go see your spook house, go see your spook house.